So first thing is you can go to your menu, and to the wrench, to the 5th page to see firmware. Right now I only have version 1.2 for the camera, so I am going to take out my memory card and go to the computer and download the latest firmware.
Okay, so once you're on the computer, you can hop over to Canon's website and go to the EOS R6 support page, where you can go to the drivers and downloads, and then under the firmware, you should be able to see 1.4.0. Depending on Windows or Mac, you'll download a different file. So this is Windows, and I have read and agree the terms. So after it's downloaded, you'll have to unzip the file. And this method is by using the SD card and not the EOS utility. So in this case, we'll be bringing this firmware file directly to the root directory of our SD card. Okay, and we're just going to safely remove the SD card.
Okay, so I'm going to put the SD card back in there. So the instruction says make sure you have full battery. I have full battery, so I think I should be okay. Okay, go back to the firmware, camera, update firmware, okay. Hopefully it reads the right firmware file. Yep, 1.4, and hit set, and okay. So it's updating. You're not supposed to touch anything, or any of the buttons, or shut it off in any way, and just let it do its thing. Okay, the last percent. So it says it's complete. Okay. Now let's go back in the menu. It says 1.4. Okay. So let's change over to the video mode. Okay, so when you turn on your camera, go to menu, camera icon, 3rd tab, and Canon Log settings, and Canon Log on, and now CLOG3 should be an option. Just set it. Okay, so in order to record video onto dual cards, you go into menu, press the menu button, go to the wrench, and go to record function in card folder selection. And in the video record mode now, instead of standard, you can, instead of auto switch card, you can record to multiple. So it depends on if your cards are fast enough. You might get an error message like this. I have one card, I guess that's not fast enough, so it will give you that message. Which I got last time when I put in a slower card. But otherwise, once that's set, I should be able to record to both. So I'm going to start recording. So I have this clip, and I will select card 1 for playback. And there's that clip. On card 1, if I switch to card 2, I also see this clip. So there you go. It records onto cards, and that's the latest firmware update with 1.4.0. Well, hopefully you found that useful. I figured I was gonna give it a try for the first time. Might as well make a little quick video about it. So yeah, hope that was helpful to someone. And let me know if you guys have overheating issues by recording to 2 cards. Alright, peace out.